In Matrix, we have a tab called Time and Expenses. Here, you can see your timesheets and expenses for different projects. If you want to log your hours, you can do it either in Calendar View or Project View. In Calendar View, you simply log your hours either by start and end time or by total hours. You can mark it as billable or non-billable, select a project, and save your entry here. If you do it in Project View, you can see the different projects, log your hours, save them here, and then view your hours on a weekly or daily basis. Once you've finished the week, you can mark it as done, and it will be sent for approval by your manager. We have an approval from Maddie O'Brien that needs to be completed. I can handle it daily or approve the entire week at once. If you want to review expenses for different projects, you can see them here. You can sort by projects or by activities. To add an expense, just click here, enter the amount and project, drag and drop a receipt, and send it for approval.